So you want to learn how to make a ton of money wholesaling real estate without spending a dime of your own money? Yeah, I mean, you can literally start with $0 and go ahead and get your first deal in the next 30 days and make $20,000 or more. Today, I'm going to show you the best ways to start wholesaling real estate for $0 if you have no money in 2026. So guys, I'm gonna break it down for you. There's about 4 or 5 of my favorite methods to do wholesaling real estate and find deals for completely free. So if you don't wanna invest any money into your wholesaling journey, you're trying to get this first deal for free and you're on a budget, this video is gonna be for you. Guys, I also wanna mention, I break down everything I'm gonna show you in this video today, much more in depth. Every single week, I hold a free 1-hour live training where I teach you everything I know about wholesaling for 1 hour, a personal mentorship call with me for free. There's gonna be a link down below in the description for you to sign up for my next training that I have coming up. I hold one every week, so click the link and sign up. Spots do fill up fast each week, so make sure you sign up. Now, today we're gonna be talking about how to wholesale real estate for free, $0 in 2026. Now, there's a few different methods to do this. And so the first one is going to be Zillow for sale by owner, Zillow for rent by owner. The next one's going to be Craigslist for sale by owner, Craigslist for rent by owner. The next one's going to be forsalebyowner.com. And then we have Facebook Marketplace for sale by owner on Facebook or for rent by owner on Facebook. But I do want to mention, in order to wholesale real estate, you also need the contracts, right? You need the paperwork in order to do the deals. So I want to give you my wholesaling real estate contracts, the absolute best contracts that I've been using for the past 5 years for free. If you go to jacobblank.com/free, you're going to be able to download my contracts. But now let's get into it. So first, let's start off with the Zillow method. So what's cool about this is you can do this in any market across the country. So for example, I'm in Maricopa County. So I'm gonna go Maricopa County. So now I have my whole market here in Arizona, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do for sale and I'm gonna do home type, and we just wanna look at houses. Guys, the most common deals to do are from houses. We don't wanna worry about condos, townhomes, multifamily, land. Let's just focus on houses because the most frequent deals you're gonna get is from houses for wholesaling. So houses, and then we're gonna go to more, and we're gonna go to owner posted only. We only wanna be looking at properties that are posted by the owner, okay? So what we're gonna see now is all these red dots on the map are homeowners that have posted their property for sale by owner. They are motivated sellers raising their hand in the air saying, hey, I'm motivated to sell my house fast for cash. Please reach out to me and make me an offer. So all of these, we can click on all of them, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we are going to click on it, and we're gonna get the homeowner's phone number. It's right on here. I can't show you it. I gotta blur this out right now, but you can see property owner, there's the phone number. I'm gonna blur it out on the video, but there we go. Now, they're asking $509,000. So what I recommend is to send out as many offers as possible. Again, you can do this in every market across the country. So just because I'm in Arizona, I can start with Maricopa County, but I can go Atlanta, Georgia, I can go Dallas, Texas, and I can go ahead and blast out these cash offers to these for sale by owner listings. So the quickest way to send an offer is to just offer them 70% of their asking price. Now, there is a better way to calculate the offer, and I have other videos on my channel showing you exactly the right offer formula. But if you're mass sending out offers fast, just offer them 70% of their asking price or 70% of the Zestimate. So now when I go back to the map and I click off that, we're gonna see that it turned pink. So what that means is I've already clicked on it. I've already made it an offer. So what I can do is I can go ahead and make all the red dots an offer, and then I can re-log into my Zillow account every day, see if there's any new ones, and be the first wholesaler to go ahead and make them a cash offer. So I would recommend calling them, double dialing them, call them twice if they don't answer, and sending them a text message with your offer. Now, the other thing we can do with Zillow is for rent by owner. Now, it's the same thing. The map will show what's for rent. Now, what's cool about this is a lot of homeowners maybe rented their property out before. Maybe the tenant destroyed the property. Maybe it was just really tiring being a landlord. Maybe they don't want to rent out the property again. So if you make them a good cash offer, they're considered selling it. So these are all seller leads as well that are great to go reach out to. Now, we can do the same thing on Craigslist. So if I go to Craigslist and I go house and We do for rent. These are all the for rent by owners. So these are all homeowners that have listed their property for rent. I can go ahead and reach out to them and make them offer. Now I can go ahead and change it for real estate for sale. Boom, boom, boom. These are all motivated seller leads. Homeowners that have posted their property for sale themselves. They went on Craigslist saying, hey, I want to sell my house. Go ahead and make them all a cash offer, guys. All right. Now the next one is for sale by owner.com. So same thing, guys. If I search up any market across the country, so I'm going to do Atlanta, for example. So if I do Atlanta, Georgia, what's going to happen here is it's going to pop up a map, just like Zillow. And all of these on the map are properties, homeowners, motivated sellers saying, hey, I want to sell my house fast for cash. So we can click on any of these. Boom, it's going to say what they want. Their phone number is going to be there. We reach out to them and make them an offer. Also, guys, Facebook Marketplace is great. Unfortunately, can't log in and show you because my Facebook is banned from Facebook Marketplace, but yours probably isn't. So a lot of my students, guys, are having massive success getting deals from Facebook Marketplace. A lot of sellers are posting their property for sale, Facebook Marketplace, posting their property for rent, Facebook Marketplace. Go ahead and make them all offers. So guys, that is how to find the leads for free. Now that we've found the motivated sellers, now we need to convert them, right? So we've done our marketing. We've reached out to the homeowners. We have made a bunch of offers, right? Now we need to convert the leads into deals. So we make them an offer. We find a seller that's interested in our offer. Now we need to go through our sales process with them. So with my sales process, it looks like this. It's intro, it's fact find. So intro, right? Fact find, we ask them questions about the property. There's 5 questions you want to ask them when talking to them. So that way, you can bring up the details about the property and they'll understand why your offer is at this price because you talked about their property. Also, you want to sound educated in the real estate space and ask questions so it seems like you know what you're buying, right? So the 5 questions to ask and you'll know whether the property needs a full, half, or no remodel based on these 5 questions is how old is the roof? How old is the AC? What type of countertops are in the kitchen? What color are the cabinets? What flooring do you have throughout the property? And then a final one is, have you done any remodeling in the past 5 years? From there, we'll go ahead, present our offer, talk about our offer to them. And then if they like the offer, we'll go ahead and send them the contract. Now, again, guys, go download my contract at jacobblank.com/free. All you got to do is fill in the price, send them over the contract via e-signature, go over the contract with them, get them to sign it, right? Now that we have the deal locked up, the next step is get photos of the property. Most of the time, we're just having the seller send us photos of the house so that way we can then market the deal out to cash buyers. Now we have photos of the property. We can go ahead, create a deal posting with all the info in a template about the property, connect the pictures there on a Dropbox link or Google Drive link with the photos in it, and start sending this out to cash buyers. You guys can sell your deals on Facebook as well by going to real estate Facebook groups. There's tons of active cash buyers in there. Just post your deal in there. Buyers are going to reach out to you and want to buy it. So now that we find a cash buyer that wants to buy the deal, let's say we locked up the deal for $100,000 and we find a cash buyer that wants to buy the deal for $120,000. We use an assignment contract, send the assignment contract for the $120,000 to the cash buyer. He will sign the assignment contract. Now you have the purchase contract, the assignment contract. You need to give all this to a title company. A title company is what's used to close all real estate transactions. Whether you're wholesaling or doing traditional real estate, got to use a title company. You guys can download my favorite title companies. I have a list of my favorite title companies across the country. You can get that list for free at jacobblank.com/title. So send over the contracts and the buyer and seller's contact info to the title company. The title company is going to have everything they need now. They're going to do the paperwork, the title search, and they're going to prepare for the closing. On the close of escrow date on the contract, the title company is going to complete the process, and they're going to cut you a check for your $20,000 profit. Boom, that's how you guys do it. Going from $0 to making $20,000 using these free methods on how to find motivated sellers, how to find deals. Follow that process of how to get the deal from open to finish line and getting paid, and you guys are gonna have massive success. So I hope this video was helpful to show you how are you going to make tons of money wholesaling real estate in 2026, starting from nothing. If you guys found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment down below. And remember, guys, I hold a free 1-hour live training with me every single week. There's going to be a link down below in the description to sign up for my next live training. If you found this video valuable, imagine spending an hour with me. You're gonna get so much value. I'll see you on the call. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.